everyone! I just want to quickly take a moment to thank all of my subscribers who have been with me from the start when my channel was silent. It's been so long ago. Honestly, it means so much to me and I appreciate all of you. And for new viewers, if you don't yet know already, I'm V. Welcome to my channel, guys! Today, I'll be giving you my first impressions on some Roman Szmal brushes. Alright, let's get into it, shall we? So, I feel the need to give a disclaimer that I'm not sponsored. This haul was partly purchased by myself from the Polish website called Szmal? And another part was given to me by my friend, who, coincidentally enough, was the one who drew my attention to these brushes in the first place. Thank you, Magda! She's a very talented mixed media artist. I'm going to put her Instagram and YouTube channel on the screen here, so you guys can go check her out if you'd like to support her. So, here's the brush that started it all, the Gold Pearl brush. The website says they're synthetic brushes dedicated mainly to watercolor paints, synthetic bristles with the properties of sable hair. A short wooden handle, transparent varnished with the addition of mineral gold. Gold-plated brass ferrule. Honestly, I'm quite satisfied with that description. It sounds like a synthetic sable brush. The text on the handle blends in with the color of the wooden handle, so from far away, you can't really read it unless the light hits it at a certain angle. The varnish on the handle is a normal glossy finish with what seems like gold shimmer embedded within. The quality is very nice. Nothing out of the ordinary, just good, solid quality. As for the bristles, at first glance they appear to be similar to standard beginner nylon round brushes, but are actually more densely packed and holds a decent amount of water for a synthetic round. It also has a tip that comes to a nice fine point. It has great snapback. I have experience with natural red sable, and I can tell you this feels nothing like natural hair, nor is it a great imitation of such. Compared to Jackson's Icon Quill, which is also a sable imitation, this Roman Szmal Gold Pearl brush has a finer point, but Jackson's Quill holds more water. I think this brush would be great for those who love synthetic round brushes, but always wished it had a higher water holding capacity. Those who prefer a tighter style of painting that requires control and precision may also like this brush as well. These are available in sizes 30 to 24. The one you see here is a number 9. Bristles are about 5.5 millimeters in diameter and 23 millimeters in length. This one was approximately $3.10 USD. Next, we have here their dagger brush in size 1/2 inch. The website didn't say much except for that they're synthetic, but to me, they seem to be of the same series as the Gold Pearl, since the handle is the same with gold shimmer and the bristles also feel the same. This is my first ever dagger brush, so I don't have anything to compare it to at this time. However, I'm really liking it so far as it can create long, thin lines and large, flat washes. A very pleasant experience for my first dagger. This one is available in 3 sizes as shown on screen. The one I have here is approximately $5.50. And now we have the Black Pearl series. The website says, these are Roman Szmal brushes. The Black Pearl series consists of round brushes with a short varnished handle. The bristles of the brushes are a mixture of synthetic and natural bristles. Perfect brushes for watercolor. I absolutely love this brush. They may not specify what type of natural hair is used here, but the experience of using this brush feels a lot like using a natural Squirrel round brush, in that the bristles are so soft and holds a ton of water. They've made the tip come to a nice fine point, which is always good. Because the handle is a black color, The shimmer seems to be a silver color that sparkles under the light. Compared to Jackson's Raven Brush series, the shape of the brush is slightly different in that the Roman Szmal is a round brush and the Raven is a mop brush with a fatter belly. Roman Szmal's black pearl is much softer, but also feels like the bristles are less dense. This one is also a size 9 and costs about $5.50, available in sizes 3 to 16. Before we move on, I wanted to add here that I did order the silver pearl as well, but gave them away. Here's a brief clip of me admiring them for a bit. Like the gold pearl and black pearl series, the silver pearl series has a silver shimmer on the handle and toray bristles made in Japan. Some say it's meant to be a dupe for Escoda Perla, and that made me think that maybe the gold pearl is meant to be like Escoda Versatile, and the black pearl may be like Escoda Ultimo? But that's just my speculation though. Take that with a grain of salt. This one here is size 9 again, but for $2.70, the cheapest of the 3 series. Next, here we have Roman Szmal's 112 brush. There doesn't seem to be a proper name for it other than the number, so I'm just gonna go with 112. This is from a series of round brushes with synthetic, soft, golden bristles and a flamed tip. A short handle lacquered matte brown. The role of the ferrule is played by a coiled copper wire, perfect for watercolor paints, which makes this a quill. And you know I love my quills. Looking at the shape of the brush, I'm inclined to say it's more of a mop than a round because the belly is rather pronounced. When I touched the bristles on this brush, I felt like I was touching the material they use to make fishing lines, you know? It doesn't feel great, but when I started swatching with it, it felt very soft and definitely holds a lot of water. It does come to a nice fine point, but maybe not super thin lines. I painted with this already, so the bristles are a bit stained. Here it is next to Raphael's No. 2 Natural Squirrel Mop Brush. This 112 quill here was about $7 and is the smallest size of this brush, as Roman Szmal offers sizes 2, 4, 6, and 8. Moving on to the No. 14 Synthetic Squirrel Round. Can you tell this is one of the ones that my friend gave me? This is now the largest brush I own. For reference, I don't regularly use large brushes, so I don't have many, but I'm happy to add this to my collection. Apparently the bristles are meant to imitate squirrel hair, but you know what? I don't think so. I have real squirrel brushes as well as synthetic squirrel brushes from other brands. If you want something that behaves close to real squirrel brushes, this isn't for you. You're better off getting a brush from the Black Pearl series. Those behave much more like natural squirrel hair brushes. That said, it's a very nice round brush, holds plenty of water, has a great fine tip. I love the dark stained wooden handle with a glossy finish. The bristles are soft as far as synthetic brushes go, but they're not as soft as the Raven brushes. Just think regular synthetic round brush, but is softer and holds much more water. There. It also has great snapback quality that most natural squirrel hair brushes don't usually have. Available in sizes 30 to 20, this one is size 14 and costs about $8.30. And now we have the synthetic squirrel liner. Much to my surprise, I love this one. It comes in sizes small, medium, and large. Mine here is the small size, and approximately $3.40. I already have a synthetic liner brush, but that one didn't come to a fine point. But this one does! Beautiful snap back, and the size is perfect for painting detailed branches. It's definitely very soft, as advertised, and holds so much water I couldn't believe my eyes. Last but not least is the Renaissance Roll Brush. I know this one isn't Roman Szmal, but bear with me. So I actually wanted to get the Roman Szmal Aquarius brush shown on screen here, but there's only two sizes. The one here is the smallest at 7.5 millimeters in diameter and 33 millimeters in length, which is larger than my usual preferred size, but I think I'd still want to try it one day because I just love quills. Anyway, back to the brush. The handle is also black, which I already have many black-handled quills. And then I saw this Renaissance roll brush with this beautiful turquoise handle. And you know I love my turquoises too. I just couldn't resist. Anyway, the bristles looked similar to the Aquarius, and they offer many sizes, 0 to 8. So I chose to go with this one. Size 1 roll brush. According to the website, these are white synthetic round brushes, varnished wooden handle in turquoise. Soft and elastic bristles, very durable brushes, suitable for watercolor paints. I thought varnished meant glossy, but feels like it's been painted with this matte turquoise paint. I've never had a brush with this type of bristle before. It feels a lot like regular synthetic round brushes, but with a higher water holding capacity. And I love that it's so pointy and can create extremely thin lines. The bristles actually come bright white. I've just been playing with this one, so I've stained it with green already. I think similarly with the Gold Pearl series, this one has great snapback and water control. If you like working with one brush that can also cover details, this one would be perfect for you. And there we have it. These are all the ones I currently have, and honestly, and I'm not exaggerating, the quality is absolutely great. They're the type of products where you see the price tag and think, wow, it's affordable. If I don't like it, then you know what? It won't be the end of the world, but I'll give it a try. And then when you get the product and try it out, you're like, oh gosh, it's worth so much more than what I paid for. If these were to go on Jackson's website, I think they'd be sold out rather quickly. And Roman Szmal actually offers other brushes as well, even a travel brush. Check out their wide range of brushes on the Szmal website. Not only that, RestauroHouse is also Roman Szmal's brand of brushes. Lots and lots to choose from. Again, I'm not sponsored. I just think the quality of the brushes are really well made for the price that they are asking for. So out of the 7 brushes here, I'd say I'm really happy with these 4, happily satisfied with 2, and okay with 1. And again, I just want to point out that this has been my first impressions. I might grow to like them more as I use them. Actually, I've been wondering, did any of you know Roman Szmal brushes existed and that they had such a wide variety to choose from? With such great quality and price tags, I would have expected more people to know about them. Anyway, that's it for this video. But for those of you who are like me and want to see more of these brushes, I've uploaded a supplementary video to this one that is less formal, more laid back, just me talking about the brushes and comparing them with some other brushes that I already have. Links will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.